Hello everyone, I hope you all be fine. Today I'm gonna to review chapter 9. Before we start, I would like to talk about previous lesson to remember. We talked about how we can add and subtract mixed numbers, and we have two homeworks, number 6 and 7, page 177. Let's do together. We have 4 and 3 over 4 minus 1 and 1 over 4. When you need to subtract them from the first step, we subtract the fraction. After that, we subtract the whole numbers. From there, 3 minus 1 equal 2, and we keep 4, we get 2 over 4. After that, 4 minus 1 equal 3, we get 3 and 2 over 4. 2 over 4 is not simple fraction. You can divide it by 2, we get a simple fraction. 2 divided 2 equal 1, and 4 divided 2 equal 2, and we write 3. Don't forget that we get 3 and 1 half. And we have number 7, 1 over 5 and 1 over 4 plus 1 and 2 over 4. From the first step, we add the fractions. We have 1 plus 2 equal 3, and we keep 4. After that, 5 plus 1, we get 6 and 3 over 4. That's all about the last lesson. Let's remind all subjects we learned in chapter 9. We have some exercise. Let's do together. Please from the first time, just listen to me. After that, you can write in your book page 118. Now we have this exercise. We choose the best term from the books. I did it by matches. You can do like me. From number 1, different fractions that name the same amount are called numerator or mixed number. Simplest form, equivalent fraction. So we know that when you have different fractions and they have same amount, it is an equivalent fraction. Look at number 2. A dash is made up of a whole number and fraction, so it is mixed number. Number 3. To add like fractions, add the dash and use the same denominator. We say that when you need to add two fractions, we add just a top number, so top number is called numerator. Write the fraction or mixed number for the shaded part. Look at number 4. From the first time we count the color parts. After that, we count all parts you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write 5 in top fraction. After that, count of parts we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write 6 under the fraction. And look at there. From the first time we count the squares, color squares we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Write in top fraction. After that, write count all squares we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Write in bottom of fraction, and you can write a simple fraction for this picture by counting the circles we have. From the first time we count this circles, they have color squares. We have 2 circles. Write in top fraction. After that, write count all of squares we have 5 squares. Write 5 in bottom of fraction. And from there we have 3 whole pictures, so it's mixed number. Write 3, and after that we have 2 color parts in 3 parts. Write 2 over 3. Write 2 equivalent fractions for each fraction. We say that equivalent, that means they name the same amount. So we choose any number you like. It's up to you, and you should be multiplied by numerator and denominator also. And from there we will choose it 2 from the first time. 1 multiplied 2 equal 2, and 2 multiplied 2 equal 4. And from the second time I used it 5. 1 multiplied 5 equal 5, and 2 multiplied 5 equal 10. And from there we have 3 over 4, and from the first time I multiplied it by 6, and after that I multiplied by 10. 3 multiplied 2 equal 6, and 4 multiplied 2 equal 8. 3 multiplied 10 equal 30. 4 multiplied 10 equal 14. From there we have 4 over 10. We multiply from the first time by 2. 4 multiplied 2 equal 8 and 10 multiplied 2 equal 20. And we see that you can use the division to write another equivalent fraction. From there I use it divided by 2. 4 divided 2 equal 2 and 10 divided to 5. So you get 2 over 5. From there write each fraction in simplest form. We have 9 over 12. We said that simplest form you find common factor between 9 and 12 we have from list of multiply. From there we have 9 and 12. Which number I can divide both of them? We can divide by 3. 9 divide 3 equal 3 and 12 divide 3 equal 4. And we have 6 over 10. You have just 2 common factor between them. 6 divided 2 equal 3 and 10 divided 2 equal 5. Compare right greater than or less than or equal for each fraction. We said that it's not always easy to tell which fraction is bigger just by looking them if they have different bottom. Look at there. We study a easy method. We say use a cross multiplying. 3 multiplied by 1 equal 3 and 4 multiplied 2 equal 8. So 8 is greater than 3 and this fraction it's greater than this. We put greater than. And from there also they have different bottom. So use the cross multiplying. 12 by 5 equals 60 and 6 by 11 equals 66. So 66 is greater and you put greater than. And look at there, it's very easy because they have the same bottom. So we just compare the 3 and 5. 5 greater than 3, so this fraction is greater. And look at there, we have different bottom. Also we use the cross multiply. 6 multiplied 4 equals 24 and 8 multiplied 3 also 24. So they are equal to each other. And from there write each fraction as a mixed number. We say that if you have the fraction the top is greater than under number, you can say 7 divided by 2. So we divided 7 by 2. 7 divided 2 equal 3 and remember 1 for us and 2 it's under number, we don't change the 2. And look at there, we have 8 over 3. We divide 8 by 3, we get 2 and 2 it's remainder and 3 it's under number we have. And from there we have 13 divided by 5 equal 2 and 3 is remainder and we write the 5. And from there we have 14 over 6. We divide 14 by 6 equal 2 and remainder 2 for us and 6 it's under number, we don't change it. In number 20 till 27 we add or subtract them. Look at they, it's very easy because they have same denominator, so we just add the numerator. 5 plus 2 equals 7 and write the under number, we get 7 over 8. And from there also 3 plus 4 equals 7 and write the 7, we get 7 over 7 and you can say it is whole, we can write 1. From there they have different denominator, so we make it same denominator by multiply place number, place under number. From there 4 multiply which number equal 12? 4 multiply 3. So we multiply this fraction by 3. 3 multiply 3 9, 4 multiply 3 12 and we get same denominator. 1 plus 9 10, we write 12 and 10 over 12 it's not simple, we can do it by divided to 10 divided to 5 and 12 divided to 6. And look at there, they have also different denominator, we can do it by multiply 2. 2 multiply 2 4 and 5 multiply 2 10. 7 plus 4 11 and you write 10 under number. 11 it's more than 10, you can divide it. We say 11, you say that 11 divided 10 equal 1 from 9 and we keep 8. 7 plus 5 equal 12. 9 is greater than 8, so we can divide it. We say 9 divide 8 equal 1. 1 plus 12 equal 13. So 1 is remainder. So you can write from there and write the bottom from there. Also from there we have a mixed number, but it's subtracted. So 8 minus 5 equal 3, and we have 9. 5 minus 2 equal 3. 3 over 9, it's not simple fraction. We can do it by divided 3. 3 divided 3, 1. 9 divided 3, 3. So write whole number 3. From there also, it's mixed number. 11 minus 5, 6. 12, you keep 12. And 2 minus 2, 0. And you can write in simplest form by divided 6. 6 divided 6, 1. 12 divided 6, 2. Let's solve number 28 and 29. Please look at your book. Atom has 3 chains. Their lengths are 1 over 2 meter and 3/4 meter and 5/8 meter. Order these lengths from least to greater. Now I will explain for you by this picture. We suppose that they are equal to each other. So we make number 1 in 2 equal parts, and that's in 8 equal parts, and it's in 4 equal parts. So from there we color just 1 part, and from there we color 5 parts, and from there we color 3 parts. And look at there, it's less than them. After that it's less and it's greater than them. So we write by this way: 1 over 2 and 5 over 8 and 3 over 4. And to get number 29, Ahmed worked 2 and 3/4 hours. Then he worked 3 and 1/4 hours to finish his research. Find the total time he worked. So we total, that means we find the summation between two fractions we have, and they are mixed number. From first time, 3 plus 1 equal 4, and we keep 4. After that, 2 plus 3 equal 5, and 4 over 4, that means whole, it's 1. So 1 plus 5, we get 6 hours. Let's find the correct answer in page 181. Look at number 1. What fraction names the shade part? So from the first time, we count the color parts. After that, we count all parts we have. We have 3 parts colored, and in all parts it is 8. So we get 3 over 8. Which one is 3 over 8? C. So C is correct. Draw a circle around C. And number 2, which fraction is in simplest form? 3 over 12? No, because you can divide it by 3. And 6 over 8? No, because we have common factor 2. You can divide it by 2. 5 over 6? Yes, because you can divide it by any common factor. We don't have any common factor between them. And look at number C. Which fractions are written in order from least to greater? We suppose that we have this shade. I make it in 4 equal parts, and it's 8 equal parts. It is 6 equal parts. And from there we color just 1 part, and from there 3 parts. From there 5 parts. So look at there. It is order from least to greater. So C is correct. Draw a circle around C. Number 4, we have wrote this fraction that are equivalent to 1 over 2, 2/4, 3/8, 4/8, 5/10. So look at that. From number 1, we he multiplied it by 2. From there, he multiplied by 3 and by 4 and by 5. So we multiply it by 6. We get 6. Multiply 1, 6. And 6 multiplied 2, we get 12. We get 6 over 12. Which one is correct? B. Draw a circle around B. Let's do number 5. We have this fraction. They have different denominator. And from the first step, we make it the same denominator by multiply this fraction. We multiply by 2. 1 by 2, equal 2 and 4 by 2 equal 8. Now we can add 1 plus 2 equal 3 and we have 8, so we get 3 over 8 by 3 over 8, so D is correct, it's 3 over 8. And number 6, we have 9 over 10 minus 2 over 5. So there are different bottom also. We can do it by multiply this fraction by 2, 2 by 2, 4, 5 by 2, 10. So now we can subtract them, 9 minus 4, 5, and we have 10 bottom. So 5 over 10 we can find from this answers. So we divide it by the common factor between them is 5, so divide by 5. 5 divide by 1 and 10 divide by 2, so it's correct answer. And from there we have two mixed numbers. It's from the first step we add the fraction, after that we add the whole numbers. 2 plus 2 equal 4 and we have 3 bottom, and 4 plus 6 equal 10. Look at the 4, it's greater than 3, so you can that means 4 divided by 3 equal 1 and 1 is left. 1 plus 10 11 and 1 is remainder, 3 is under number, so you get 11 and 1/3. Which one is true? B is true. Which expression is not equivalent to other? From the first step we solve the parentheses. After that we do the another operation. 5 plus 2 7, 7 multiply 3 21. From there we have 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 5 21 also. 2 plus 1 3, 3 multiply 7 21. So they are equal to each other, but the 1 multiply 7 equals 7, 7 plus 2 equal 9. So 9 is different from them. D is correct. Sirach brought 3/4 kilogram of meat. He used 1/2 to make dinners. How much of the meat was left? So that's clear. You must use the subtraction. 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2. There are different denominator. You can make it same denominator by multiply this fraction. You multiply it by 2. So 1 by 2 equal 2 and 2 by 2 equal 4. And now we can subtract them. 3 minus 2 1 and we have 4, we get 1 over 4. So A is correct. Number 10, we have two mixed numbers. That's from the first step we plus the fractions. After that we plus the whole numbers. 4 plus 3 equals 7 and we have 6 bottom, and 3 plus 1 equal 4. 7 is more than 6. We can say 7 divided 6 equal 1 and 1 is left. So 1 plus 4 equal 5, and from the 7 what is remainder for us? Right from top and 6 at the bottom. And 5 and 1 over 6 is correct. Which is not a factor of 200. 3 not factor of 200, because you can't find any number multiply with 3 we get 200. But 10, look at 10. 10 it's factor for 200, because 10 multiplied 20 equal 200. And 5 also it's factor, because 5 multiplied 40 it's 200. And 4 also it's factor, 4 multiplied 50 is 200. Number 12, let's plus this numbers. 7 plus 8 equals 15. 5 1 regroup, and 8 plus 9 equals 17, and we have 1 equal 18. 8 1 regroup. 3 plus 4 7, and plus 1 8, and 5 plus 2 7, we get 7,885. So we can find this number from there, so not here. From there we finish this chapter. See you at another lesson.